How to reset a forgotten screen time passcode on iPhone. If you've forgotten your screen time passcode on your iPhone, follow these simple steps to reset it. Open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap Screen Time. Select Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode again. Tap Forgot Passcode. Enter the Apple ID and password you used when you originally set up screen time. After your identity is verified, enter a new screen time passcode. Re-enter the new passcode to confirm it. Again, you have to enter your Apple ID and password. Your screen time passcode has now been successfully reset. That's it. You've successfully reset your screen time passcode using your Apple ID. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.